In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and edit your website using WordPress.com, specifically focusing on customizing the background of a page using Elementor, a popular WordPress plugin. This tutorial is perfect for those who are just getting started with website design or are looking to enhance their site's appearance. We'll begin by heading over to the WordPress dashboard. This is essentially your control center where you'll manage your website's content and appearance. To get there, log into your WordPress account and in the upper left corner, click on your site's name to access the dashboard. Once you're in the dashboard, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side. This is your navigation pane, providing access to all the different sections of your website's backend. Next, we'll move on to the Pages section by clicking on Pages in the navigation pane, then select All Pages. Here, you'll see a list of all the pages that currently exist on your website. This includes the home page, contact page, blog posts, and any other pages you've created. Browse through this list and select the page you want to edit. Think about which page could benefit from a visual makeover with a new background image to enhance its appeal. Once you've chosen the page you wish to modify, it's time to open it with Elementor. For those unfamiliar, Elementor is a powerful page builder plugin that allows you to design pages visually and has a simple drag and drop interface. Click on Edit with Elementor. This will take you into the Elementor editor, which provides a live preview of your page as you make changes, allowing for an intuitive editing process. Now, to change your page's background, we'll open the Site Settings panel within Elementor. You can usually find this in the upper left corner of the interface, indicated by a series of small icons. Upon opening the Site Settings, look for Background Settings. This section allows you to modify the background aspects of your page, adding visuals that align with your site's theme and aesthetics. To change the background, you can either select an image from your media library or upload a new one. Consider images that reflect your site's purpose or theme, whether that's a calming nature scene, an abstract pattern, or a vibrant cityscape. The goal is to choose visuals that enhance your content, not overwhelm it. Once you've selected or uploaded your new background image, it's crucial to save your changes. Look for the Save or Update button within Elementor. Clicking that will apply the new background image to your page, ensuring that your edits are safely stored and will appear live on your website. And there you have it, a refreshed and visually appealing page, just by following these simple steps. Keep in mind, customizing pages with Elementor not only enhances your website's appearance, but also improves user engagement. Thanks for tuning in, and happy editing.